Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got answer A, well done, congratulations. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So, the proton number of uranium is 92 and the proton number of radon is 88. Which series of decays turns uranium nucleus into a radon nucleus? So we're changing the number of protons from 92 to 88. And looking at these answers, the options are either alpha decay or beta minus decay. So first of all, let's remind ourselves what happens during beta minus decay. In beta minus decay, a neutron changes into a proton. So the proton number increases by 1 and the overall atomic mass stays the same. That's beta minus decay. In alpha decay, 2 protons and 2 neutrons are emitted from the nucleus. So the atomic mass decreases by 4 and the atomic number decreases by 2 in alpha decay. So we only need to look at the atomic number because we were just told the proton number or atomic number decreases by -4. So we just need to look at these series of decays and see which one gives us an overall change in -4 of the proton number. So let's look at the first one. Remember, the alpha decay gives a change of -2. So -2 for the first alpha decay, then an increase of 1 for the beta plus decay, another +1, another -2, and another -2. If I add all these up together, I'm going to get a decay or a change in the proton number of -4, which is correct. We can have a look at a couple of others and just see why they don't work. So beta minus gives an increase in the proton number of +1. The alpha decay -2, +1 again, another -2. We've got a change in the proton number of +1. Wrong. So look at this, look at possible answer C. Alpha gives us a change of -2, -2, -2, -2, and +1. That's a change of -7, definitely wrong. And finally, +1, +1, +1, +1, and -2 gives us an increase in the proton number of +2. Again, wrong. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please press the like button. All comments will be welcome, and I hope you will share and watch more of these videos in the series.